So what is methodology? So methodology is the specific procedures or techniques used to identify, select, process, and analyze information about a topic. So dito pinapakita kung anong research ito, paano mo kinuha yung data, paano mo sinelect, no? Tapos anong data, then anong proseso kung paano mo to kinuha yung data or information ng yung research, at paano mo analyze yung information para ma-validate mo kung tama ba or mali or ano yung naging conclusion mo sa iyong research. So, importante o sentro dito sa methodology ang data analysis or analyze, no? Magkakaroon tayo ng sa subsequent video, no, ng mga about sa methodology parts. So, the methodology section answers two main questions. So, first question is, how was the data collected or generated? So, ang research methodology ay sasagot ng dalawang tanong. So, una is, ito yung data. How was the data collected or generated? Then, ikalawa naman is, how was it analyzed? So, ito yung dalawang tanong na sasagot sa methodology. So, ang methodology is about these two questions. How was the data collected or generated? Then, how was it analyzed? Okay? So, yan yung methodology. So, ito yung methods, no, kung paano mo ginawa ang yung research. So, paraan. So, may tanong, what's inside the methodology? So, inside the methodology is, first, meron siyang design. Sa amin, sa school namin, merong 6 na parts, no? So, dito, pinagbasihan ko yung nakasulat dito. So, first is yung design. So, design is the detailed description of why, quali, or quanti. The experimental or survey or anong klase, phenomenology or ethnography. So, whatever. So, bakit ganyan? No? Ano yung design? So, bakit siya naging quali? Bakit siya naging quanti? So, ano ba siya? Experimental ba siya? Or ano ba siya? Survey? Or sa types of quali, no? Case study ba siya? Or depends. So you defend it. Bakit ganyan? No, yung research mo. So, bakit quali, bakit quanti? At kung quanti, anong klaseng quanti? At kung quali, anong klaseng quali? Next is sampling. So, meron tayong separated video kung paano natin kinuha yung sampling. So, ano yung sampling, no? So, how you get the respondents. So, yung class size. Importante yung sample size rather. Importante yung sample size. So, nandoon sa separated video about ng sampling. So, tingnan nyo lang sa baba. Okay? So, yung sampling, yung proseso ng paano mo kinuha yung mga respondents. Tapos, data. So, anong klaseng data? No? Types of data. Then, saang source? So, anong source? Then, the measurement scale taken from the data collection. So, data collection. So, next is collection. So, kung yung data, ano siya? Anong klaseng data? Saan mo siya kinuha? At ano yung measurement scale? No? Kung ito ba ay good, very good, or boys or girls? So, anong klaseng data? Then, collection. So, it is a data processes and method of your collection. So, yung mga proseso at methods, no? Kagaya siguro, nagpadala ka ng letter sa isang principal kung saan ka nag-conduct ng study, then ano yung mga legalities, no? Yung mga proseso kung paano mo kinandak yung research. Kasi kung mag-conduct ka ng research, kailangan mo, kung if sa barangay ka, kailangan mo yung permission ng barangay captain, yung mga officials dyan. So, doon nakalagay ng proseso at yung method kung paano mo kinolect yung data. Next is presentation. So, how data are presented. So, is it in tabular form or in textual form? So, histogram or bar graph, pie graph. So, yung data, paano mo siya ipe-present? Okay, so siguro pwede if mag-quali ka, pwede in true textual form, or quantity naman, pwede bar graph or pictograph. It's up to you sa presentation. So, paano mo i-represent yung data? Then, data analysis, ito yung panghuli. No? The sixth part of the methodology is the data analysis. So, systematically applying statistical. So, ito yung sentro ng research mo, yung data analysis. So, anong ginawa mo sa yung mga data? Sa yung data, paano mo siya in-analyze, no? So, it is applying statistical and or logical techniques to describe and illustrate, condense and recap and evaluate data. So, ano yung paano mo siya, no? Sinolve. So, kasi kadalasan yung data ay, for example, yung nag-quanti ka, so meron siyang statistical tool, no, para makuha mo yung mga differences, yung relationship nila. Kung sa quali naman, meron tayong thematic analysis, no, kung saan kinukuha mo yung tema ng bawat response ng respondents. So, pag-uusapan natin ng bawat isa nito, meron tayong separated video niyan. So, tingnan nyo lang sa baba. So, ito yung data analysis, the sentro, no? Paano mo inanalyze, no? Anong ginawa mo sa data para makakuha ka ng isang konklusyon. Yun yung data analysis. Okay, so that's all about methodology. Itong anim na to, no? From design, sampling, data collection, presentation, and data analysis. So, depende sa school ninyo. Pero sa school namin, merong 6 parts of methodology. So, depende sa school ninyo. Baka meron tatlong part. Pero, even merong iba-ibang parts lang ng methodology, 2 or 3, sasagot pa rin yan sa tanong, which is yung kanina. Itong, how was the data collected or generated? Then, how was it analyzed? Ito yung talagang naririto, no, nandoon sa methodology mo, no? So, how was the data collected or generated and how was it analyzed? Ito yung nasa loob ng methodology. Okay, so ito yung 6. So, that's all. Thank you for listening. So, if you have some questions, just comment below.